Is your word miso? Yes! Enjoy the rest of the evening! Now think of your number. Simulan natin sa network. Sabihin mo kung globe ka or smart, or hindi globe ka ba or smart, nandun ka ba sa loob nun? Smart ba? Smart? Yes? Okay. So, isipin mo kung saan nagsisimula, kasi marami ng smart ngayon. So, 0, 9, 3, and another 3? Yeah, okay. Think of your number. Subukan natin tawagan
Oh my God!
0933. Think of the other numbers. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung tama ako sa last digit. Okay. I'll go with this one. Pag mali yung natawagan ko, pwede ko naman sabihin na wrong number. No? Okay. I'm calling now. Oh! Maris, sagutin mo, Maris, sagutin mo. Hi, Maris. Is your word miso? Yes! Thank you very much! Once again, I am Justin Pinion. Enjoy the rest of the evening!